I'm Elisa Kappel. I'm a professional affiliate marketer and I help you to start your online business as an affiliate marketer. Today the subject is how to build a sales funnel in Builderall for free. And I'm going to share with you my screen and we are going to build it together and you're going to see that we can do it in minutes. Thing is, what is a sales funnel? A simple sales funnel is a set of 3 pages that will guide your customer in, and it's mainly for you to offer your product or your service. It's something very specific for sales, okay? It's different from website because websites are for general information about your products or a service. It's not something that sales funnels are built to sell directly to your customer exactly what you have to offer, okay? So as an affiliate marketer, we need sales funnels to bring our leads into our producer's sales page. That's why we need to understand how to create a sales funnel. Our part of all this selling thing is like very simple. We need to do 3 specific pages. That is the landing page where your lead is going to land. And this page is going to opt-in page where your lead is going to put his or her name and email address. And after that, he or she is invited to watch a video in your bridge page, a video that you are going to do to explain about this sales page that they are about to watch. So that's the big thing. The sales funnel for an affiliate marketer is mainly for introduce the affiliate marketer to these leads, okay? And then you can use these sales funnels in a paid ads, or in organic traffic that you've been doing in your social media. You can use it like everywhere, okay, online. So that's it. Let's jump to my screen. So here we are inside my screen. I'm sharing with you right now. And what I'm saying, it's for free. Because nowadays, Builderall has a plan that you can have access to Cheetah Builder and Mailing Boss. That is our autoresponder systems. You can have everything that you need to start creating your email list and creating sales funnels and websites. Today we are going to focus on sales funnels. We are going to create a sales funnel with 3 pages. The first one will be the landing page. The second one will be the opt-in page, and the third will be the bridge page that is going to connect to a sales page from your producer. As you can see here, I'm going to use a Builderall dashboard that is the free plan. Log in. Sign in. So that's the dashboard of a free plan. You can have the Cheetah here and the Mailing Boss here. Obviously, then when you enter as a free plan, you can see all the apps that you can have access if you upgrade. You are already an affiliate for Builderall, so if you want to start promoting Builderall right away, you can do it. Let's enter in Cheetah. Create a new site. Just copy and paste here, and let's start with a blank template just for you to see how easy it is, okay? Let's edit the site. The first page will be the landing page. It's opening the first page for us to start editing. Here we go. Let's start with a panel. Amazing. Let's add an element. That is a title. What we are going to sell? Let's sell Builderall for free. Wanna build your sales funnel for free? And then you can open it. Centralize. And then you center it in the, let's open this panel. As you can see here, the line is going down because I'm opening the landing page. Let's put here, I don't know, another information. Now you can build sales funnels and websites for free. Let me open this. It's easier when you open like that. Let's continue editing. Now you can build sales funnels and websites for free using the amazing Cheetah Builder. Just click here to centralize. Let's put it a little up, centralize again, and let's save because save is our friend. You see, save. Do you want to publish this site? Not now because we still have like 3 pages to do. And let's add a button that will take our lead to the next page. As you can see, it's drag and drop. Let's open it, centralize, and let's change the colors. Let's put, oh, this color is good. The border will be none. Round border, let's put 15. You are going to see that the button is going to stay with the round border. You see? Headline, give me access now. Put a bigger size here. Now let's put white. Much better. Okay, let's centralize, and then this button will be connected to our next page, that is the opt-in page, okay? So we need to create the other page and then come here and connect the button because there's no page to be connected right now. So let's save and let's go and create another one. This will be the opt-in page. All right? We'll just copy and paste here just to have some information. And here there's something, guys, because as we want this person, this lead, to put his or her email there, and then we enter in contact with them by email, we need to connect our email marketing form to a list in our mailing box, that is the autoresponder system, okay? Let's add a panel. All right, let's add a title. Let's take this title here. It's a little smaller. Almost there. Right? Very simple. Obviously, I'm not doing my best copy here, but it's just for you to understand how easy it is. Let's take a little bigger this panel. And here, almost there, okay, we can enter, add an element, that is the email marketing form. You can see here that we have some options. Let's take this one. Let's enter a mailing boss to create the list. Welcome to Mailing Boss. Are you ready to start email marketing like a boss? Let's set up your account. First name, last name, Belinha. Okay, now it's created. Let's create a new list. So it will be sales funnel. Okay, it's already created. Let's create 2 fields for our form. Let's go into fields again to just put them in the correct order, because I want the first name first and it must be required, and it will be 0 because it will be the first one, and then email will be required and this one will be 1. Amazing. Now we have a form already set. So let's go back to Cheetah, new page. Let's add the email marketing form. Let's take this one, and it's going to open directly the Mailing Boss list. Here we go, sales funnel training, and it's already set. You centralize, and then let's just change this headline a little bigger, and then we are going to last page, save. Amazing. Let's edit it. Let's add a panel again. Let's add a title, and then we say what the bridge page is. It's something that is just a video for you to introduce yourself. It must be very short, guys. 1 minute and a half, 2 minutes and a half in the maximum, just for you to introduce yourself and speak about what you're going to recommend them, okay? So let's put here, watch this video first, and then we centralize again. Add other elements, like you can then add a video from YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia. I prefer to use Vimeo. And then here you would embed your video. Okay, you can just come here and then put your link here. You can decide to autoplay or and put it in loop. I don't like any of them, so I would just tick out it. And after that, we are going to add another button that takes the people to sales page. A big button here, centralize, and let's, easy peasy, guys. Put in black. Let's change this color. Obviously, you need to work on the consistency of the colors. I'm just showing you that it's so easy for you to do that. All right, let's put white color, white. Okay, now that the pages are already created, let's connect them. This one is the first one. This button, we are going to, you see this link here? We're going to set the link of this button, and it's going to go to this opt-in page. Can be open in the same tab, and we save, and we save again. And then let's go to the other one, this one. Let's connect here. When the person subscribe, it's going to go to the bridge page, open in the same tab, save. When the subscribe is confirmed, it's going to the bridge page and open the same tab and click save, and then click unsubscribe confirm. It's not necessary for you to put any information here because we are actually interested in subscribing, not unsubscribing, okay? So you can save, and then let's save here. And the last one is this one. And here, let's put the Builderall website, builderall.com. And it can open the same tab as well. All right, let's save. You see, that's it. It's easy peasy, guys. It's just a matter of you connect a domain right now and test it out, and it's ready to go. Amazing, isn't it? Have you seen how easy was it to build a sales funnel in Builderall. Everything is drag and drop, very intuitive, so you have lots of trainings that you can do inside Builderall to understand much more about Cheetah. I hope you like it. It was funny for me, and see you in the next video.